My name is Chikamaliweza and I'm here again bringing you videos on how to make money online. Please do not skip any part of this video, stick to the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon button so I can bring you more videos like this and you receive notifications when I bring up more videos like this. Now let's get right into the video. Welcome guys to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online using Google Translate. Now you can make up to $1,000 in a day online using this Google Translate. Most people I know use up to like 5 hours, making $10 in about 10 minutes per day. So if you calculate it roughly in an hour, it's about $60, and in 5 hours, let's do the math. Now in every hour they'll get about $250 per hour because they get $10 in about 10 minutes. So if you calculate it for 5 hours in a day, it will be this $1,250. That's what you can make per day. And I'm going to show you step by step how this thing happens and how you can be able to make such an amount in a short time, although you just do some work. And for clarity's sake, this method is totally free, 100% free, and you don't need to pay a dime to do this method. And you need to stick to the end of this video so you will know the website where I'm going to show you where to implement this after using Google Translate. Now, before I get into the video, if you like this video, please do like, share and hit the bell notification icon button when you subscribe so you can receive more videos like this. Let's get straight into the video. Now, let's head over to Google Translate and you can see it here. But if you don't know how to get to Google Translate, just type it in Google Translator and it pops up here. If you want to get to the full website, you can also click here and it take you to the full website. And this is it. You can work from here. But I like working from just this surface. Now what you need to be doing, this is not a traditional method where you would use Google Translate to type blog post or you need to transcribe something for somebody in another language to make money. That's not the method at all. This is a totally different and unique method. So by using this method, you can earn such amount of money. So now next thing we want to do is to go to the site where we get what we want to use for this method. Now I'll go to a site called CPA Grip, as you can see, and in CPA Grip, look at the dashboard here. This is just a new account I made for this video, specifically for this video. So you can create your account totally free of charge and use it for this video. It's called cpagrip.com, so you can register. Now what I'm going to do here is check for countries. Now let me tell you a bit about this website. What this website essentially does is that when people take up actions on this website, they actually pay them. For this, I'm in Nigeria here, and that's why you can see these tasks here for people to do. Once they submit their PIN, that's their phone number, they receive this amount. This is email address submit, they receive this amount. So that's how it's been done. So it's country by country. You can select any country of your choice to make it happen for you. You can select US, you can select the UK, Australia or any country. Well, for the sake of this video, I think I'm going to use a country that doesn't speak English because most people online use English to communicate and they mostly do the adverts in English. You find few people that do adverts in other languages. So I'm going to check on France. Now as you can see, these are the tasks people can do to get money. Now when people complete this your task by submitting their credit card credential, they earn $23.1. And as you can see the pin submit, this is $2.06. So this is difficult to do because most people online do not want to submit their credit card credentials, so we won't be doing this at all. So what I'm going to do here is to go to categories and select pin submit. Now I see the tax here on pin submit and I scroll down, look for a tax that is high paying. Now if I scroll down, I see this one with $10, I click on it. Now what you want to do here is to copy this thing and also to right click here and click on open image in a new tab so you can see what the person will see when the page opens for the person in France, because you might not be able to open it on your browser. So now this is the image here. Now I've copied what is here. I'm going to go transcribe. I'm going to paste it here. Let me see what it's talking about. Now look at it. Enter your mobile number now to start the download. Now let's go over here. You see all these things here. I've written it down and it's on this notepad. I'm going to copy it and know what the website is talking about. Go back to Google Translate and we paste it here. Now look at it. Okay, gift card, join now deals for a chance to win a brand new one. So now understand what it's talking about. That's how you do it. I just got some snippets of the text and I pasted it there so I can know what it's talking about. So what it's talking about is that you should join a wow deal now to get a chance to win a gift card or a grocery, a shopping worth over 500 euros. Now that's what it's talking about. So you know what you impute on the website that I'll be taking you to. So the next thing you want to do is to get that sort of information and head over to the website called Traffic Ad Bar. Now on this website, what basically does is to give you traffic. Look, at you can see here, consumer warning. We will deliver up to 1022 visitors to your website every 3 days for free. And this is what they do. How it's being done is that they deliver this traffic to your website or to any link you give them. You submit, you create ads here, and they deliver visitors to your website. And over the years, that has been seen by affiliate marketers and other people who generate traffic for their website to convert. This website actually converts. So here you can sign up here. I'll walk you through how to sign up. I just type in your name, your email address, and you click join. Now you head over to your email to confirm your email. You can check your spam folder if you don't receive an email. Let's check spam. Now we're still waiting for the 2 minutes time. As you can see, the email is here. So now we need to verify our email by clicking here. Now you click on next. Add your first name and your last name, your gender. Next, create your password. Next. Now you should set up your account. What time would you like to receive your daily bonus points? By 00 hours. The time for your email has been set. Add your first affiliate link on your website to get your advertising going. All you need to do is enter the URL link on your website below and follow the instructions. So we can add your link here. So now what we're going to do now is to go back to, let's just follow the on-screen instructions, and we should go back to here, and you can choose this link here, or you can choose your tracking domain. Any of these tracking domains you want to choose. You can choose this one. You can copy it here. And what you want to do is you go to bit.ly and shorten the link. Now let me shorten this link. I'll paste it here. And I just create. I copy the link here and I go back to the website. Now I paste that link here. I add the website. Now it is here that you create your ad. The ad you place below is the ad that will appear on Traffic Ad Bar. You can have 25 letters, numbers, and spaces for the title, and 25 letters, numbers, and spaces for each line of your advert. Your ad will be deleted if you overuse punctuation such as all this, or if you use excessive capital letters. You can use your description, but not your title. Now you should add a headline. You can just add any information here that is eye-catchy. Now this is my first ad line. Second one, I'll write shop more, save more. So now the language is going to be French. Now what I was supposed to do here is to convert this to France. Copy, and I go to Google Translate and I paste it here. Translate to French. Now all you need to do is to convert all this English into French by copying. Go here, you paste it, and it will convert it. Convert all of them, you copy, and you go and paste it back right there. Then you choose French as the language. You go, you target France, people in France. Now if you want your ads to run for a certain period of time or particular time every day, you can put it up here, then you click save. So that's how you can do this. Now if you like this video, please, you can click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell notification icon button so you can receive more videos like this. And you can watch more of my videos where I teach people how to make money online. You can click on the video at the right corner of this video now, or watch the next videos that will show up, and you can learn how to make money online through all my videos. Thank you.